Hello guys, welcome back again to our next Japan Works tutorial 2015. This tutorial I will show you how to weld a sleeve pipe in Japan. In this part, this is the inside joint part of the pipe. Okay, after you weld it, we will gouging it. So I will show you how to gouging a sleeve pipe in Japan. First, simply you have to make the line straight to make your gouging line straight. All you have to do is to clean some plugs inside the butt joint of the pipe. You have to make the line straight so that your welding line will be straight, of course. Okay. The very important of this part is you have to clean it using the gouging rod. This is the second pass. The third pass gouging to be the last. So after this, you have to grind all the seam line of this pipe. You have to clean it all, and after we will weld it. So third pass also the method of this welding. As you can see, yesterday I welded a railway. As you can see over there, it is the railway. And now I'm welding a sleeve pipe. Frankly speaking, here in Japan, I have many works. I have so many experience in works. Because I come here to work and train by the Japanese people, which is very strict. Very strict in we talk about what we call this quality about job. So now we will weld it. The procedure of this welding will be first pass, second pass, and third pass. This is just a simple work video tutorial I made here in Japan. This is for a documents, call this remembrance that I've worked here in Japan for almost 3 years. 3 years of experience of talking Japanese people. You know what? Japan is a polite country. Japanese here is very good, very peaceful in here. Job, business. once again, thank you for watching all my video work tutorial here in Japan. I hope you like it, guys. Please do subscribe because I love my work and I love you all. God bless America. God bless all of us. So next year, 2016, my contract here in Japan will be expired. So I'm going home to my country, and my country is in the Philippines. So, again, I hope I could go to Australia and work there, explore my experience. Thank you.